welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? We are back in Devanand Saab territory and Madhubala. I love this song. I've never seen the video. I have never seen the video. As soon as I saw the comment requesting this, I was like, yes. Okay, so we are here. And as always, let's just quickly go over the movie plot so we might understand what's happening. Kala Pani, which we know, is a 1958 Indian Hindi language crime thriller. Devanand ji did a lot of thrillers, mystery thriller, crime thriller, all of that, produced by Devanand. And it's a remake of the 55 Bengali film Sabar Upare, starring Uttam Kumar and Chhabi Biswas, which was itself based on A.J. Cronin's 1953 novel Beyond This Place. So I'm noticing that a lot of movies from the 50s and 60s had their plot based on a book. And I don't know why that is not happening so much in today's cinema. I mean, not as much. I don't know. Anyway, the music is by S.D. Burman, Majrooh Sultanpuri ke lyrics. From what I read recently also, Majrooh Sultanpuri ji was at one point arrested by the Congress government. Hold on. His leftist leanings got him into trouble. The government wasn't amused by his anti-establishment poems, and he was jailed in 1949 along with Balraj Sahni. Majrooh's arrest took place during a nationwide arrest of communists after the Second Congress of the Communist Party of India in 1948. They had decided to carry out a revolution against the Indian government of the time. Majrooh was asked to apologize. You imagine this: if you all think aaj kal kuch some kind of dictatorship is going on, Majrooh Sultanpuri and Balraj Sahni were arrested, jailed, asked to apologize, but he refused, and so he was sentenced to 2 years in prison. He was arrested in 1951 for writing and reciting a poem in which Nehru was compared to Hitler. Wow. Wow. तो आजकल की चीजों को आप लोग डिक्टेटरशिप बोलते हैं ना, without knowing anything. Anyway, I just heard that. अब check भी कर लिया क्या था. But coming back to Kala Pani, story of a young man who, upon learning about his father's wrongful implication in a 15-year-old murder, vows to bring the true criminals to justice and release his innocent father from prison. With the help of a journalist and a prostitute who is the eyewitness of the murder and have evidence against the criminals. So his name is Karan Mehra, while Madhubala and Nalini Jayawant play fearless journalist Asha and a prostitute Kishori, respectively. But basically, he's able to rescue his father from a sentence for a murder he didn't commit. Chalo, let's just watch the song. 1, 2, 3, play. Hello. Before we continue with the video, मुझे एक चीज बोलनी है कि I have noticed at the back end कि बहुत सारे लोग जो videos देखते हैं मेरे, they have not subscribed to the channel, and I'm just like, why? Why are you doing this to me? I have a goal that I have set. इस साल के लिए मैंने 200K reach करने का goal set करा है अपने लिए, and I'm sure you also love to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. So that's my aim. And since you watch my videos already, and I hope I've added some value to your day and to your life, I would really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button. आपका time नहीं लगेगा ज़्यादा. It doesn't cost a thing, and it really helps me out, and it really encourages me. So please hit that button, abhi, please, and I'll continue with the rest of the video now. चलो.
लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए अल्ट्रा चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें.
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना.
अच्छा
Oh,
जी
he's like
मैं
रूठा हुआ.
हारी चलो मान जाओ
She's so pretty.
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना.
ये क्या है अकॉर्डियन? They are acting.
छोटे से कसूर पे ऐसे हो खफा,
रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता.
छोटे से कसूर पे ऐसे हो खफा,
रूठे तो हुजूर थे मेरी क्या खता.
देखो दिल न तोड़ो,
छोड़ो हाथ छोड़ो,
देखो दिल न तोड़ो,
और छोड़ो हाथ छोड़ो.
छड़ दिया तो हाथ मलोगे समझे.
अज समझे.
अच्छा जी मैं हारी
So
चलो
cute.
मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना.
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना.
Just look at the The acting goes on while the music is.
जीवन की ये
What?
रास्ते लंबी है सनम,
Oh my God.
काटेंगे ये जिंदगी ठोकर खा के हम,
जीवन के ये रास्ते लंबे हैं सनम,
काटेंगे ये जिंदगी ठोकर खा के हम,
कोई जालिम साथ ले ले,
अच्छे हम अकेले,
जालिम साथ ले ले,
अच्छे हम अकेले,
चार कदम भी चल न सकोगे समझे,
हाँ समझे।
अच्छा जी मैं
The acting in the
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना,
Now she's gonna be root hold. It'll flip.
जाओ रे सकोगे ना तुम भी चैन से,
तुम तो खैर लूटना जीने के मजे,
क्या करना है जीते,
हो रहना किसी के,
क्या करना है जीते,
अरे हो रहना किसी के,
हम न रहे तो याद करोगे समझे,
समझे।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलूं मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी
Oh,
यारी
man.
मेरा दिल जलाओ ना,
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलूं मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
So cute. And my God, how pretty is she? How pretty is she and how handsome is he? I cannot get over. Okay, so 1 second. The charm, the acting, the unparalleled. I just cannot. And forget all that. Asha Bhosle ji and Mohammad Rafi ji, like what is going on with the acting and the voice? And again, we have to remember कि ये सब start to end एक take में record होता है. अगर कहीं पे आपका tonality वो you know all the bits that they are doing and the teasing and वो सब जो चल रहा है वो एक इतना सा भी इधर हुआ, they have to record again from the top. So I just cannot. I mean, they're literally acting the scene out with their voice. And then the actors are appearing on camera and bringing the voice ka acting into their expressions because there are such tight frames throughout the song. It's all here. Oh my God, guys. Just the genius of that era. It boggles the mind. And just look at the songs and the music. Freaking evergreen melodies. And the lyrics are also not fluff. बातचीत हो रही है और each thing that they're saying to each other has meaning. And also reading the plot of the movie, I feel like we should watch it. You know, I feel like we should watch it because it sounds much better than any of the nonsense movies coming out today. है ना? Like, look at this plot. Look at this plot, man. Karan stays as a paying guest. Paying guest is an Indian phenomena. Asha is the owner and she's also a journalist. Then he finds so amazing. I just cannot. Just look at the acting and the three of them who came in the middle and they're also acting. So what I felt like the music interludes that are happening, wahan bhi movie is moving forward. Wahan bhi scene enact ho raha hai, continue ho raha hai, and characters aa rahe hain or they're going with the, you know, they're synced to the beat. I just can't. I'm sorry, but I feel like the golden era of Indian films is behind us. We need to look back and start watching again. So just the way can you imagine any actor or actresses of today, at least the new generation, who can do this kind of yahan pe acting like Abhinay is just I can't with their expressions, man. And how handsome does he look in this? Okay, it was related to this movie, Black Suit Ban. After his hit film Kala Pani, he was reportedly banned from wearing a black suit in public because women would swoon and jump from buildings at the sight of him. What? Damn, it was after this movie. We must watch this movie, guys. Tell me if it's available anywhere online. But it is true. It is true. And oh wow, there's a whole page called 88 Facts You Didn't Know About Devanand. Was asked not to wear black. That is crazy. Also, he fell in love with Soraya and proposed to her with a 3,000 rupee diamond ring on the set of Jeet in 1949, but they couldn't marry due to family opposition. Really? That's so sad. As a result, Soraya remained unmarried all her life. Why do families do this? Soraya's maternal grandmother, matlab Nani, was strongly opposed to the interreligious romance. Guys, and she didn't marry again at all. Damn, yeah. So sad. Devanand's association with Kishore Kumar started in Ziddi, with the film featuring the singer's first solo song, Marne Ki Duaएं, picturized on Dev. The two became very close friends from that film onwards. Oh, I did not know that. So, anyway, I will read this offline. But what a beautiful actress, what a handsome actor. And oh my God, there's a comment here. In the era of Maan Meri Jaan, if you are here, congrats, you have good taste in music. Yes, I agree. I agree. I'm going to loop this song for this whole day now. Let me know what else I should get to. And more Devanand, please. Just say Devanand or Shami Kapoor. Okay, my favorites. Any other songs that are good, like acting like this, that I should get to, just comment below. Comment below. Let's watch it all together. Actually, I might do a live stream for only retro songs for all of us to watch together. So if you want me to do that on any one of these upcoming Saturday, Sundays, just tell me. Tell me, do you want a retro music only live stream? We can watch together for like an hour. Like जितने भी songs आप request करेंगे उसमें. So let me know if you want me to do that. Comment below and tell me what else I should get to. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper. And tell me where I can find this movie. Must watch.